It's a gorgeous day here in Northeast Portland, and in today's video, not only are we going to show you 2 hot new listings that I just listed live today, but we're also going to talk about what makes Northeast Portland the hot, explosive spot to make your Portland headquarters a reality. So we're going to start by walking through this brand new to the market 3-bed, 1-bath. You're going to love the inside here. And this place has just been updated, literally dressed to the nines throughout. Look at that little cubby hole where I've got my bag and water bottle right now, expecting to see 90-degree temperatures this weekend. The summer's almost here. So that is quartz countertop. And if you're watching, just comment below what you think this is listed for, and just wait until you see the backyard. And I just listed another home that is at least twice this size. Doing the math, it's actually 2.5 times this size. You can see the garage has got the funky ladder, usable garage. So I know we're going to be meeting a friend out at that home, and he is kind of a famous guy if you're in Portland. He goes by the so we're going to go see if we can find him at that house. It's a bigger home. This is your main bedroom. It's a cool little cubby. Pokes through to the kitchen. Little spoiler, that is going to be the backyard, and I cannot wait to show you. Here we got the powder room. Beautiful bathroom. Love this tile work. And now we're going to show you the 3rd bedroom here. Hardwood floors throughout. I'm now going to show you just the awesome backyard. So those are actually laurel bushes that are made for maximum privacy here. Spring is in full bloom. Beautiful day. So guess the price below, and then we're doing one that's at a higher price point soon after. So much to feature here, so I'm going to see you at the next one. We're going to be on the hunt for the emo realtor. By the way, we're getting into this one so quickly. If you're new here, just reach down below. I am Tim Jackson. I'm a realtor that works in Oregon, Washington, and all over the place. Let's go. Okay, now we're at my next new listing here in Northeast Portland. So if you are keeping track, go ahead and guess the price down below in the comments. I will give you a hint that this one costs a little bit more than the last one. Again, we're in the Roseway neighborhood of Northeast Portland. The door was just unlocked, which I think is kind of weird. Normally these places are locked up and secure, but there can't be anybody. Who is that? Is that Emo Realtor? Well, we're going to have Emo Realtor film for me since he's here. So we got Emo Realtor filming, and I'm going to give you a tour of this 3-story home. It was built in the early 40s, but as you can see, everything from the ground up has been renovated, from electrical, plumbing, new roof. Like, this is a brand new quartz countertop kitchen, nice roundabout. So as we're coming through here, the stainless steel appliances are included. And you're definitely going to want to stay tuned, because me and Emo Realtor are going to have a chat at a Northeast local bar dive spot and talk about why Northeast Portland is such a hot commodity in this market. Why are multiple offers landing in this particular spot of Portland? You can see a renovated bathroom here, you know, all new fixtures, new tile. So here's your first of many bedrooms, and you can really pick and choose which main bedroom you would like. Obviously, this one's got the convenience of the bathroom right here. Now this one's staged as a kid bedroom, but turn this into your office. Why not? And let's get going upstairs. Obviously, with an older home, your stairs are always going to be a little bit steeper. We see Emo Realtor here in his own reflection. So this is probably the most practical main bedroom, because it is the biggest. It's got a nice little seating area, and it goes out into this gorgeous patio area. And look at the size of that tree. So we'll go look at the bathroom now. If you're still guessing in the comments what the prices are, then definitely pop off on this one. This one is 2,400 square feet. The last one was just over 1,000 square feet, nearly 1,100. And this isn't just a walk-in shower. This is your Christopher walk-in shower, your last bedroom upstairs. And now we're gonna cut to the downstairs basement, which has a lot of functionality. So this place has a nice redone fireplace, living area, some built-ins. So it's got a functional floor plan. I'd say a lot of the older homes built in this era can have a really hodgepodge floor plan. And so for a 40s home, this has a lot of functionality to it. It's got these new floors put in, and your ceiling heights are tall enough to really make this place as livable as you need it to be. You can see this massive tree kind of helps bring a level of nature and historic charm to this home and to this neighborhood. So we're going to get going to what is making Northeast Portland in particular the hot spot in Portland. So let's get going. So he is known as Emo Realtor. I don't know where he went. This is actually Kyle Huckabee, and he is a licensed Oregon and Washington real estate agent like myself. If you're wanting to reach out to either of us, just shoot me a text. We can set up for a face-to-face call down below. But let's talk about what makes Northeast Portland such a hot commodity in today's real estate market.
I used to live in this neighborhood about 5 houses from here, and it's just gotten better since I've lived here. I like how walkable it is. And I think that a lot of people who want to live in Portland like walkability. They took an old gas station, turned it into a food cart.
We're gonna get some beer at there.
Yeah, it's chill up here. And then it's easy to access like the airport, a Cascade Station, it's kind of a mall. If you need to hop over to Vancouver. So it's really like 5-10 minutes from a lot of stuff, but it's not too close to downtown if you don't want to be near that. So
yeah,
I think it's like the perfect distance.
And we're like maybe 10 or 11 blocks away from 82nd right now. So anything west of 82nd in those pockets like Montavilla, we're in the Roseway neighborhood right now, like I mentioned. Cully neighborhood. These are neighborhoods that are seeing some pretty major appreciation. And when these right homes, especially that 79th, the first home, is just the perfect cookie cutter home that a lot of people, I shouldn't say cookie cutter, but it's the Swiss Army knife in that it's a ranch, 3-bedroom, 1-bath. A lot of people are looking for that hot commodity, and they just tend to get multiple offers. I mean, you'll definitely see that one go pretty quickly.
And as you get closer to 82nd too, it's still more affordable while still being in like one of the coolest parts of the city. Because you're getting the 20s, the 10s, you're getting up 8, 9, even more. Out here, you can still find 5, 6, sometimes even in the 4s for something, a starter home.
People are really looking at 4 to 500s. Definitely, if you've been commenting on the prices of the homes that we showed, the first one was actually at $479,000. That's what we listed it at.
That's pretty cheap for Portland.
It is. And then the second one is $665 because it's got all that space. So we're going to get going and having a beer. But if you're looking to move to our beautiful spot in the Pacific Northwest, just had a viewer just like you go pending on a home. We're through inspections now in the Russell neighborhood, which is another hot Northeast Portland neighborhood. And so, just reach down below. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't